Hello everyone, my name is Moussa Dembele and I'm from Mali. I recently completed my Bachelor of Technology in Computer Science and Engineering. It has been an incredible journey of academic learning, personal growth and cultural exchange. I'm honored today to share my experience. I chose SRM University-AP because of its strong focus on academic learning and modern curriculum and practical learning. I wanted a university that will not only teach me as technical knowledge, but also is going to help me as a global professional. The faculties were very supportive and the facilities were excellent. So I had many opportunities to improve my technical skills through projects, research, technical events, and teamwork. To the students from Mali and anywhere else in Africa, I would say who are considering SRM University-AP for future career, I would say don't be scared. Studying abroad is a very life-changing experience. At SRM University-AP, you will receive a quality education, you'll meet new friends from different backgrounds, new cultures, and you will receive the quality of your technical skills that will help you to develop as global professional. SRMAP University has transformed me from an ambitious student into a confident, skilled, and globally minded computer science graduate. One of my favorite memories at SRMAP University was when I presented my research paper at an international conference. It was a proud moment. It showed me how I've grown academically and personally. It gave me confidence in my abilities. Thank you.